Hi guys, welcome to our circle unit. So at this point, you guys should have already copied the parts of a circle dictionary into your own handwriting and copied the examples, and then you should have already done the name that circle part activity. After you've done those two things, then you're gonna hopefully be watching this video. I'm gonna go through 3 examples of how we do this, and this should be really easy because I'm hoping this is review, and then you guys are gonna finish this worksheet as homework. So you are gonna do number 1 where you're just telling me different parts and going back to your circle dictionary and telling me what parts of this match these definitions. And then we're gonna do a couple of examples really focusing on area and circumference. So I wanna do just 3 of these examples, and then you guys are gonna complete the rest as homework over this long weekend, okay? So I am gonna do number 2. So let's just remember our 2 formulas. If we wanna find the area of a circle, our formula is pi r squared. And if we wanna find the circumference, which is just the perimeter, that formula is 2 pi r. Okay, so in question number 2, it says find the area and the circumference of each circle below. So we already have the radius in this one. Our radius is 7. So to get the area, it's just gonna be pi r squared, which in this case is 49 pi meters squared. And then if you want to make that so that it's not a decimal, you guys can plug that in your calculator and make it become a decimal. So, you just do 49 and then you do pi. And then we can get that this is, let's see, let's round 2 decimal places. So 8 rounds that up. So 153.94 meters squared. So I don't really care what you guys do. Either one of those is totally fine. This one's exact and this one is rounded. And then to get circumference, we just do 2 pi r. So then this is just 14 pi inches, or not inches, meters. And then again, if you want to make that so that it's rounded, not exact, you just do 14 pi and you get 43.98 meters. So either one of those is totally fine for your circumference. So you're just going to finish those ones. Remember, if you have a diameter like over here, you just need to cut it in half. Okay, the next one I want to talk through is number 6. So it says use the area and circumference formulas to find the radius or the diameter. So in this one, it says find the radius of a circle with an area of 615.75 kilometers squared. So what we know at this point is our formula for area is pi r squared. And then we know it's going to equal this 615.75. And then we're trying to solve for the radius. So we're just going to try to get r all by itself. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to divide by pi to get r squared by itself. So then I'm just going to leave this exact and not round right now. So I'm just going to write it like this. And then to get the radius by yourself, undoing that squared, you're going to do a square root. And then I'm just going to plug this in. So second square root of 615.75 divided by pi. And then this is a lot of 9. So this rounds up to being 14. And then units were kilometers. So our radius is going to be 14 kilometers. And then that's where you guys stop. Okay, so then those are going to be the problems that you do for the rest of this part. And then I want to do one more example of kind of a different type of application problem, and I want to do number 12 right here. Okay, so it says use the information to find the area or the circumference. So this one gives us find the area, so we're looking for area of a circle with a circumference of 11 pi. So I know that 2 pi r for this circle is going to equal 11 pi. And if I want to find the area, I know I have to find the radius. So all I'm going to do to get radius by itself on this side is just divide by 2 pi. So then these are going to cancel, and then I'll get radius is equal to, that also cancels, so then 11 divided by 2 just becomes 5.5. So then our radius is 5.5, and then we don't want to stop there because they did want area, so then we're just going to find the area is pi r squared, so pi 5.5 squared. So if we want to leave it exact, we would just do 5.5 squared and get 30.25 pi feet squared because we're working with area. Or we can say it is about, take that answer and multiply the pi in, and we get, what, 95.03 feet squared. So either one of those is fine. The first one is just exact, the second one is rounded, okay? So what you guys are gonna do now for homework over this weekend is just finish this and make sure that you guys are getting this turned in by Monday, April 20th, okay? As always, please reach out if you guys need help with anything. I'm really excited to start the circle unit, and I hope you guys are doing well. Really miss you guys. Bye.